For today's lesson, you will need a pencil and a sheet of paper. Today, you will learn about one of the world's largest bugs in the book Goliath Beetles, Giant Insects. From their habitat to their life cycle and their interesting looks, these unique beetles will capture and fascinate your attention. How do you feel about beetles? Do you think they're weird, interesting, maybe cool? Before we begin, let's go over some sight words. Here are some words that you will see frequently in the book. Van, like, and they. We will say each word 3 times so that it sticks in our brain. My turn, van, your turn. My turn, van, say it. My turn, van, your turn. My turn, like, say it. My turn, like, your turn. My turn, like, say it. My turn, they, your turn. My turn, they, say it. My turn, they, last time. We also have some new vocabulary words in the book Goliath Beetles, Giant Insects. We are going to practice chunking the sounds, blending them together, then saying it faster to put together the whole word. I will do some with you. After that, it'll be your turn to do the rest on your own. In this book, there are some tricky words. We know we can read through these tricky words by looking for chunks we know, saying each sound slowly, saying the sounds faster and faster, then reading through the whole word and thinking, does that make sense? Let's try an example. When I look at this word, the first chunk that I see is add. Add. Add is a letter blend I know and the ending of some sight words like glad and had. The next chunk that I see is UL. UL sounds like ol. The T makes the T sound. Let's put these 3 chunks together. Add, ol, t. Add, ol, t. Adult. Adult is a word that you will see in this book. When I look at this word, the first chunk that I see is B. B is a smaller word that I know. The next chunk that I see is ols. Ols. Ols is a letter ending I've seen before. The middle letter is T. T sounds like T. Let's put these 3 chunks together. B, T, ols. B, T, ols. Does that make sense? I think so. Let's say it faster. Beetles. Beetles. Beetles is a word that you will see in the book Goliath Beetles, Giant Insects. Pause the video to sound out these words on your own. Look for chunks you know. Say each slowly. Say them faster. Then think to yourself, does that make sense? It's time to read our text. While you are reading, I want you to think about the question, what makes the Goliath beetle a unique insect? Now, pause the video and resume when you have finished reading the book. strange and unique creature. Next, there are some comprehension questions for you to answer. To do this, we will be mining for evidence. When we mine for evidence, we find the answer in the book. We turn to the correct page number so we know where in the story the information is. Remember, book, page number, and where.
What is the main idea of the book? Which statement in the book is an opinion? Why? Why did the author write this book? How does the author use the map, charts, and pictures to help readers better understand Goliath beetles?
We are going to end today's lesson with some spelling. I have 3 spelling words for you. We will say each word 3 times, then we will tap it out, and finally, you will need your paper and pencil to write them down. Our first word is theater. Theater. Say it. Your turn. One more time. Theater. Let's tap out the sounds we hear in the word theater. Get your tapping fingers ready. We're ready. Theater. Th-e-a-ter. Th-e-a-ter. Theater. Let's spell the word theater together. Theater. Theater sounds like it starts with the th letter blend. Which letters make the th letter blend? If you said TH, you're correct. E. Which letter sounds like E? That would be the letter E. E. A. A. I know the letter A is the vowel A. E. A. T. T. That would be the letter T. E. A. T. Is a word ending I know from words like her. How does the word her end? If you said E-R, that's correct. E-a-ter, theater. The next word is churn. Churn. Say it. Your turn. One more time. Churn. Let's tap out the sounds we hear in the word churn. Ch-earn. Ch-earn. Churn. Pause the video and use your paper and pencil to write the word churn. The last word is should. Should. Say it. Your turn. One more time. Should. This time, I want you to say the sounds you hear in the word should. I will tap with you, but you have to say the sounds. Pause the video and use your paper and pencil to write the word should. Scholars, thank you so much for reading with me. I hope it helped you grow your brain. I love reading with you. I'll see you next time.